Namaste, good evening. Start with sitting in Sukhasana. Back straight, eyes gently closed, hands in Namaskar Mudra. Press the palms nicely together. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale. Again, breathe in, long exhale. Keep straightening the back, keep the neck straight. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale and straighten the back, relax the lower back. Patanjali Namana. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi. Chin mudra, eyes remain closed. Keep your back straight, just observe your breath. Scan your body. Relax the shoulders. Relax the lower back and hips. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Start your inhale, take both the hands up. Exhale, forward bend. Again, inhale, hands up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, exhale. One last time, inhale, exhale, and stay there. Keep walking the fingers forward. Now inhale and move the fingers to the right side. Try to touch your forehead to the right knee. Keep breathing as you stay there. Take 3 to 4 breaths. Keep moving the fingers forward and dropping your head a little bit more. From here, inhale, come back center, and slowly exhale, move to the left side, fingers forward. Try to drop your forehead on your left knee. Keep pulling the arms forward, lengthening your spine and the sides of the body. Take again 3 to 4 breaths. Inhale, come back center. And inhale, arms up. Exhale, release. Please stand up. Starting with the knees. Feet slightly apart. Push the knees forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now outward circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straighten up, coming to the hips, hands on the hips and hip circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take your feet a little wider. Hands to the side and twisting the body all the way right and left. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep the hands there. Take your feet a little wider, toes slightly in, touching the opposite ankle, looking up at the top hand and coming back up. That is 1, up, 2, inhale and exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up, take the hands up beside the ears all the way up. Inhale, bending backwards, keeping your feet wide. Exhale, push the hips back, forward bend. Again, inhale up, bend backwards. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 3 more times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, push the hips, bend, stretch the arms back. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and come up. Now let the legs stay in the same position. Right hand up, bending to the left side. Slide the left hand down on the thigh. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. 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 Last one, inhale and exhale. Relax the legs, bring it closer, bend your knees. Now we'll lie down on the mat. Make sure you're lying down properly on the side, legs one on top of the other. You're going to keep the head on the hands. It's called Shayanasana. Back straight, head up, shoulders up, and you tighten the body. You're going to, it looks very easy, but actually you have to maintain your balance. Stay on the hip bone, don't fall backwards. Slightly rotate and make sure you're on the hip bone. Right top hand on the hip. Hold it there. Keep breathing. Tighten the whole body. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay in the same position. Take support with your left hand. You're going to lift the top leg up and bring it down. Start. 1, 2, 3. Bring it as straight as you can to 90 degrees. Turn the toes in when you bring it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, hold it there. Reach for the big toe or the ankle. Keep pulling the legs straight up, straighten the back, straighten the shoulders. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down and turn around to the other side. Lying down on the other side again. Make sure you're lying down on the hip. You can take that top leg behind you, adjust the hip and come to this position. Tighten both the legs, top hand on the hip. Lengthen the whole body, tighten the whole body. Keep the legs fully engaged. Shoulders up, chest up. Keep breathing and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Support with the top hand. Keep the leg fully engaged and lift. Bring the toe into towards your face, 90-degree angle with the leg, and bring it back down. 1. Inhale, exhale. 2. Inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, hold it there, reach for the big toe, hold it nicely at 90 degrees, don't fall backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release and turn around, come to Shashankasana. Stretch the hands out, forehead down, push the hips back, stretch your hands up. Stretch the hands as much as possible. Now inhale, tuck your toes in, inhale, come forward all the way to Urdhva Mukha. You can keep your knees down. From here, push back to Adho Mukha. Drop the heels, try to push the hips back and straighten the legs. Once more, drop down to Shashankasana. 4 more times. Inhale to Urdhva Mukha. Exhale to Adho Mukha. Drop the knees down, sit back, Shashankasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. 2 more rounds. Knees down, sit back, Shashankasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Last round, we'll hold for 5 breaths in each position. Shashankasana, sit back, forehead down. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toes in, move forward. Urdhva Mukha. You don't have to drop your head back, just look in front. Shoulders and chest open. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push back, Adho Mukha. Heels down, legs straight, chest in, press the palms nicely. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly walk your hands back. Uttanasana. Fold your elbows, push the elbows down, head down. Close your eyes, stay for 10 seconds. Slowly release the hands. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Mukhadoti. 4-5 rounds. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale. Bring the breathing back to normal. We'll do some ab work today along with the asanas. So bring the breathing back to normal. Relax your breathing, relax your body, and get ready for Surya Namaskar. Front of the mat, feet together. Hands beside the thighs. First straighten the body nicely. Gently close your eyes. Press the feet together. Tighten the legs. Tuck your buttocks in. Chest open. Spine is nice and long. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Eyes are closed. One deep inhale. Slow exhale. Hiranmayena patrena satyasya pihitam mukham tattvam pushannavarano satya dharmaya drishtaye. Om 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Ravaye Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Suryaya Namaha. Inhale, lengthen the arms nicely, bend backwards, tighten the legs, push the hips forward. Exhale, Uttanasana, drop the head fully, tighten the legs and push the hips up towards the ceiling. Now inhale, right leg one big step back, hips forward, chest moving up and open. Exhale to Dvipada, stay strong, legs tight, looking in front, body in a straight line, don't do as Adho Mukha. Ashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath for 2 seconds, keep your stomach off the mat, forehead on the ground. Urdhva Mukha, inhale all the way up. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Press the heels down, tighten the legs, keep rotating the thighs inwards, push the hips back and up. Inhale, right leg forward between the hands. Again, hips almost trying to touch your wrist. Lift the chest up, inhale. Exhale, left leg forward, Uttanasana, completely head down. Try to press the palms beside the feet. And inhale, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Bhanave Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale, straighten the body once more, tighten the legs. Om Khagaya Namaha. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shata, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. Om Pushne Namaha. Ekam, Dve, Treni, Chatvari, Pancha, Shata, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Marichaye Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Adityaya Namaha. Inhale, bend backwards nicely. Exhale, forward bend, fully shift the weight to your toes, press the palms, body is warmed up by now. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, Dvipada. Hold your breath. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Tighten the legs, press the heels and push the knees backwards. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, Uttanasana. And back to Namaskara Sthiti. Om Savitre Namaha. Inhale. Exhale to Uttanasana. Now from Uttanasana, inhale and come to Utkatasana. Press the knees and thighs together. Drop your hips down. Lift the chest up, hands up. Keep looking in front. Pull your stomach in. Pull the hips in. Try to sit on the chair behind you. And straighten the arms. If you can't press the palms, just hold it here. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From here, inhale and on the exhale, go back to Uttanasana. Inhale and take the left leg all the way back. Exhale, Dvipada. Hold your breath. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Left leg forward. Uttanasana. Namaskar Sthiti. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Inhale to back bend nicely. Push the hips forward. Now separate the palms. Pull the hands backwards. Tighten the legs. Lift the chest up. Try to look behind you and slowly take the hands behind your lower back. Pushing the hips forward. Lifting the chest little bit more. Dropping back. Look back. If you can, keep your eyes closed. But gaze behind you. Inhale. Expand the chest. Exhale. Straighten the legs little bit more. Slowly inhale. Come back. Exhale down to Uttanasana. Inhale, right leg all the way back. Exhale, Dvipada. Ashtanga Namaskara. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Right leg forward. Uttanasana. Namaskar Sthiti. One deep inhale and long exhale. Last 2 rounds. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last round, breathe in and breathe out. Once more, lengthen the body, chest open, elbows parallel to the ground. Tighten your legs. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale and exhale, relax the body, release your hands, take 4-5 breaths, Mukhadoti. Deeply inhale, bend forward, exhale fully, at least 4 to 5 times. Come back on your mat, front of the mat, feet together once more. Press the thighs together, straighten the back. Inhale, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Tadasana. Now hold the Utkatasana. Press the thighs together, spread the palms apart, push the hips back, knees behind the toes, look in front. Now inhale, lengthen the arms. On the exhale, take the left elbow outside the right knee, Parivritta Utkatasana. Right hand on the hip, press the left elbow against the right knee and keep your hip straight in place. Don't push it to the left side. Twist your body, look at the right side, look at the ceiling over your right shoulder and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come to Tadasana. Again Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Tadasana. Again hold the Utkatasana. Inhale, lift the chest, stretch the hands up. On the exhale, this time take the right elbow outside the left knee. Twist the body nicely to the left side, left hand on the hip. Look over the left shoulder at the ceiling. Press your thighs together. Keep the hips down. Don't push the hips to the right. Look back, hold, keep breathing. Pull your stomach in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back to Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Right foot in the center, Ekapada, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Left foot in the center, Ekapada, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha. One more time, Adho Mukha. Right foot in the center. From here, hold the right ankle, straighten up both the legs, Trikonasana. Left hand on the hip first, straighten the legs. Take the left arm up, look up at the left hand if you can. Push the left hip back, chest open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release, come to Ekapada, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Ekapada. Left leg in the center. Hold your left ankle. Straighten both the legs. Right hand on the right hip. Push the chest and head back. Rotate the right hip backwards. Inhale, right hand up. Open up the chest and shoulders. Tighten both the legs. Press the right leg, right foot nicely. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to Ekapada, Adho-mukha, Urdhva-mukha, Adho-mukha, Uttanasana, Utkatasana, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva-mukha, Adho-mukha. From Adho-mukha come to Dvipada. Tighten the body, tighten the legs, arms are strong, shoulders and wrists in one line, look in front, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now inhale, going to Vashishthasana, turn to your left side on the right hand, take the hip up and take the left hand up. Look at your left hand, hold it strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to Dvipada. Inhale and turn on the left hand, push the hip up and forward. Right hand up, look at your right thumb. Tighten the whole body, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to Dvipada, Chaturanga, Urdhva-mukha, Adho-mukha, Uttanasana, Utkatasana, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva-mukha, Adho-mukha. Right foot in the center, Veerabhadra Prakara 2. Number 2. Keep the right knee bent, straighten out the back leg. Inhale, stretch both the arms, push the hip down. All the weight is in the back leg. Straight, tighten the left leg. Look over your right fingers, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come back to Adho-mukha, Ekapada, Adho-mukha, Urdhva-mukha, Adho-mukha, left foot in the center, Ekapada, Veerabhadra 2. Number 2. Bend the left knee, tighten the right leg completely, keep the back straight, hips open to the side, look over your left hand, stay strong in the warrior position, keep tightening the back leg, keep breathing, stretch the arms out in the same straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back to Ekapada, Adho-mukha, Urdhva-mukha, Adho-mukha, Uttanasana, Utkatasana, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana. Stay down here now. Urdhva-mukha, turn your toes out, hands under the shoulders, turn the toes out nicely, legs closer to each other. Inhale, shoulders open, straighten the arms, press the hips down. Keep your gaze slightly up at the ceiling, don't drop your head back too much, gaze up, push away from the ground, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down. Now take the hands near the chest or the rib cage, elbows next to you. This time tuck your toes in. Inhale, lift the legs and hips off the ground, off the mat. Shoulders and chest pushing forward and open. Tighten the legs, look up. Pull the chest up, stay there. 10. Tighten the buttocks and the legs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly move back to Shashankasana. Relaxing Shashankasana. Hips back, elbows down. Relax for a few seconds. Keep breathing. Once more. Inhale, come forward on your mat. Feet close to each other, toes out. Take the hands behind you, interlock the fingers, Shalabhasana. Inhale, lift up the legs and the hands and hold it there. Chest open, shoulders roll back. Tighten the arms, tighten the legs, thighs off the ground. If you can, look in front. Don't lift your head. Just look in front. Keep lifting the chest. Stay on your stomach. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release. Once more sit back in Shashankasana. Relax the breath. Relax the lower back. Relax the arms. Take 3-4 breaths there. One more time. Inhale, come forward. And this time, make a fist with the hand and take your hands under the thigh. We're going to lift up the legs from here. Inhale, both the legs up, chest and head up, pressing the fist into the upper part of the thigh. Try to push the legs little higher, lift the chest up, shoulders roll back, chest open, hold it nice and tight. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come down. Once more sit back in Shashankasana. Push the hips back, stretch the hands in front, forehead down. Take 3-4 breaths, relax. Stretch the arms, press the palms and come back to Adho Mukha. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Uttanasana. Utkatasana. Tadasana. Once more, Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Right leg in the center. Coming to Parshva Konasana. Hold the right ankle. Keep the hip down. Open the chest to the side. Inhale, left hand up. Drishti at your left fingers. Keep breathing. Especially tighten the left leg. Press the outer edge of the left foot. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay there in 10. Stay there. From here, release the hand. Turn the left foot to come on your toes. Heel up. Warrior one position. Keep the hip down. Inhale, both hands up. Now bending forward. Again keeping the weight in your back leg. Interlock the fingers, index fingers pointing forward, looking down at the ground. Hold it right there like an arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straighten the back leg, straighten the arms. And 5. Slowly release. Ekapada. Adho Mukha. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Left foot in the center. Parshva Konasana on the other side. Hold the left ankle. Turn the right foot. Keep the left knee bent. Right hip down. Inhale. Right hand over the ear. Stretch the arm out. Keep breathing. Turn the body to the side. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. From there, release the hand. Turn the right foot on your toes. Right heel up. Keep the knee bent. Inhale. Take the arms up. Interlock the fingers. Pointing the index fingers. Just lean forward slightly. Tighten the back leg. Back straight. Arms straight. Hold and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ekapada. Adho Mukha. Urdhva Mukha. Sit back again in Shashankasana. Push the hips back, forehead down, relax. Now slowly take the legs from the right side, legs in front of you. Come to Navasana. Inhale, legs up, straighten the legs, straighten the arms, back straight. If you want, hold just lightly below the knees or next to the thighs and you can stay here. Pull your stomach in, breathe. Navasana to Halasana. All the way back. Paschimottanasana. Navasana. Halasana. Paschimottanasana. One more round. Navasana. Halasana. Paschimottanasana. Stay here. Forehead down. Keep breathing. Push the head forward, bend the elbows. One more time. Halasana. All the way back. From here, get your elbows closer. Hands on your upper back. Come to Sarvangasana. Take the legs up. Support your back nicely. Legs up. Keep your chin down. Keep pushing the spine straight up. Tighten the legs. Hold it. Close your eyes. Stay there. And slowly release. Bring the legs down together. Relax. Bend your knees. Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. If you can, hold your ankles. Hold your ankles. Push the hips up. Press into the legs strongly. Lift up the chest, moving towards the chin. Shoulders under you. And stay there. Observe your breathing. Observe the hips and legs. Hold it. Keep tightening the buttocks and pushing up. And slowly release the hips down. Keep the knees bent. Hands to your side. Relax, knees together, feet out, relax. Slowly come up. We'll do 1 or 2 twisting positions. Vakrasana first. Right foot near the left knee. Inhale, right hand behind you, left hand up. Take the left hand outside the right knee. Hold the ankle if you can, or just make a fist. Twisting to your right side, look over the right shoulder. Keep breathing and hold it there. Inhale, come up, holding the right ankle with the left hand, bend forward, hold the outer edge of the left foot with the right hand. Marichasana 1, wrap the right arm behind you, left hand behind you, and hold it there. Twisting nicely, look over your left shoulder. Press the inner edge of the right foot. And slowly inhale. Exhale, release the right leg. Now bend the left leg. Inhale, left hand behind you. Right hand all the way up. Take the right hand outside the left knee. Hold the ankle. Twisting to your left side, pull your stomach in. Look over your left shoulder. Twisting the right shoulder. Keep breathing, keep your back straight. Toes up. Hold. Slowly inhale. On the exhale, hold the left ankle with the right hand. Bend forward, hold your right foot with the left hand. And twisting around, wrap the left arm behind you, right arm behind you, and hold it there. Twist nicely. Look over the shoulder. Press the inner edge of the left foot, straighten the back, and hold. Slowly inhale, both hands up. Exhale, release the hands, shake the legs out. Again, lie down on your back. Bend your knees, feet apart, hands to the side. Inhale and drop both the knees to the right side. Knees towards the ground. Turn your head completely to the left. Keep pushing the left knee away from the body. Hold it. Slowly inhale. Exhale to the other side. Turn your head to the right. Drop both the knees to the ground if you can. Otherwise, press the left knee down. Try to press the right knee down and away from the body. Slowly come up, back to center, stretch your legs out, stay for a few seconds, eyes closed, hands to the sides, relax the whole body. bending your knees, turn from the right side. Let us sit up for pranayama. Sit comfortably. You can support your back if you need to. Legs crossed, back straight, hands in chin mudra. Just observe your breath for a few seconds. Straighten the back. Palms together. Patanjali Namana. Pranasedam Vashe Sarvam Tritiveya Pratishtitam Mateva Putran Rakshasva Shriksha Pragyanksha Videhinaiti. Keep your back straight, hands in chin mudra, eyes remain closed. Starting with 3 Om chants. Inhale. Two more rounds. Make the Makara long and exhale fully on the Makara. Last round. Inhale. Slowly stop. Keep the eyes closed. Feel the vibrations. Nadi Shodhana. Anunasika Mudra, right hand. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale through left, 2, 3, 4. Close the left, open the right. Exhale through right, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale through right, 2, 3, 4. Close the right, open the left. Exhale through left, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue on your own. 2 more minutes. Soft breathing without too much sound, and don't put too much pressure on the nostril. Close it gently. Continue 1 more minute. Make the exhalation longer than the inhalation. Softly breathe in, softly breathe out. Without too much movement of the shoulders or the body. Complete Nadi Shodhana by breathing out from the left nostril. Completely exhale, both hands in Chin Mudra, back straight. Observe the breathing in both the nostrils. Eyes remain closed. 5 rounds of Ujjayi. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more rounds. Continue. Push the breath out using the throat muscles, making the whispering sound. Last 2 rounds. Slowly stop. Back straight. Observe your breath. Observe the state of your mind. Vastrika. Forceful exhalation. Deep inhale and forceful exhalation, about 30 to 40 rounds. Counts. Start. Continue. Slowly exhale fully. Stop the breathing. Stop the exhalation. Inhale and soft exhale. Back straight, hands in Chin Mudra. 3 rounds of Bhramari. Long Makara on the exhale. Make a vibrating humming bee sound. Inhale. Two more rounds, continue. Last round. Fully exhale and slowly stop. Feel the vibrations. Observe the state of your mind. Keeping your eyes closed. Lie down on your mat. Shavasana. Stretch your legs out. Legs little wide. Chin tucked in. Shoulder blades away from each other. Arms out to the side. Close your eyes. Eyeballs rolled back. Keep your gaze behind the forehead. Relax the weight of the whole body into the ground. Keep all the joints relaxed. No tension in the hip joints, lower back, middle back, back of the neck, back of the shoulders, elbow joints relaxed, wrists and ankles relaxed. Scan the whole back of the body. Scan the whole front of the body. Keep your awareness completely on your breath. As you inhale and exhale, follow your breath. With each exhale, allow the body to sink into the ground, surrender to gravity. Lips gently closed, eyes rolled back. Stillness of body, stillness of mind. Try to observe the stillness of breath. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body, back to your breath. Move your toes and fingers. Inhale, bending your knees. Exhale and turn to your right side. Supporting yourself with your left hand, come up to a seated position. Any comfortable sitting position. Back straight, hands in Namaskara Mudra. Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhagave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bhunamanasana. Inhale and calming. Press your hands firmly on your eyes. Inhale, release the palms, look in your hands and open your eyes. Thank you, ladies. Namaste.
Thank you, Shubha. Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam.
Thank you. Have a nice
Thank you,
evening.
Shubha. Thank you.
See you.
Thank you, Shubha.
Thank you.
How is everyone?
Everyone is okay. Everyone is okay. Thank you.
Yeah, fine.
Oh, that's good.
Doctor.
Vijaya, is it? Okay, okay, okay.
Excellent, excellent class.
ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
It was good.
Okay,
It
thank
was
you,
good.
thank
We
you,
enjoyed.
thank you.
Not a sweat. Yeah.
Good,
Yes,
good,
Shubha.
good.
Very good. Okay,
See
okay.
you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye.
Bye.